Hey guys, in this video, I will show you simple ways to enable voice chat in Roblox. So, let's watch the video till the end. Before we enable voice chat, make sure your account is eligible. For that, let's check the requirements displayed on the video screen. Now, let's see the step-by-step process. First, verify your age, email address, and identity. For that, launch the Roblox app, click on the More button. Here, click on Settings and select Account Information. Now, tap on the Add button and select your country code from the drop-down menu. Then, enter your valid and active phone number. You may receive a verification code to verify your number. Afterward, add your email address. If already added, click on the Verify button. The verification email is sent to your mail address. So, please check and verify it. Then, verify your age and hit the Continue button next to Use an ID to verify your birthday. Select the country and hit the Continue button. You have multiple options like driving license, state ID, passport and more. Choose any one of them and take a closer image of the front and back side of your document. Follow the on-screen instruction and complete the verification process. After uploading your ID proof, wait for a few seconds until the Roblox finishes the ID processing. Now, position your face in the center of the camera and then move your face left and right to show both sides. Please wait until Roblox verifies your phone number, email address, and ID proof. Now the second step is to turn on Spatial Voice. For that, launch the Roblox app on your PC. Click on More buttons from the left sidebar. Select Settings and go to Privacy. Find the beta features and turn on the toggle next to enable voice chat. In my case, when I open Settings, it shows Privacy and Content Restriction, so I click on it and select the Communication option. As you can see, the voice chat option is not available here, so click on the Experience Chat option. Now, select the Everyone option for Experience Chat and Direct Chat. Your device shows a Saved Successfully message. Now, on your PC, go back to the previous page and click on Party. Head over to Party Options and select the Friends or Connections option. In the same way, choose the same option for a group party. Again, go back and click on Camera Input and turn on the toggle. Your PC says, Saved Successfully message. If you're on a mobile device, this will work for you. Just visit the Roblox.com website instead of using a Roblox app. Then, enable chat settings. That's it. Here are some reasons voice chat may be unavailable on Roblox. So, please check them. Try logging out and logging back in, and check if the voice chat option is available. If not, then follow the third step. Allow microphone access to Roblox. Make sure your PC or mobile device has a microphone that allows operating systems to use Roblox. So, go ahead and find Privacy Settings and enable microphone access. Please note that voice chat is not available in every game. So, play the game that supports voice chat. That's it. The last step is to select or play a game that supports voice chat. You can mute or block players on voice chat whenever you want. If you follow all these steps, everything is done correctly, but the voice chat is still not available. Contact Roblox support. Visit the official Roblox support website, go to the Contact Us page, and write about your problem. They will respond to you via email within 2 or 3 days. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.